Grafting steps: prepare the rootstock. Cut the bark of the rootstock into an inverted T shape, then carefully peel it away, leaving a small amount of wood. Take a bud, scion. Cut a bud from the parent tree and a small amount of wood, trimming it to fit the incision in the rootstock. Attach. Insert the bud into the incision in the rootstock, ensuring the cambium, the green layer under the bark, meets it. Remove any wood that is cut. Tie. Tie with plastic from the bottom up, ensuring the bud is tightly closed and rainwater cannot enter. Do not tie too tightly to avoid killing the bud. Care. After 3 to 4 weeks, remove the tie. Once the bud has sprouted, about 20 days after opening, cut the stem above the bud to stimulate new growth. Mango bud grafting, or grafting, is a technique of connecting buds from a superior parent tree to the rootstock of a mango seedling to accelerate growth and pass on superior traits. The method is to cut the bark of the rootstock, attach the bud from the parent tree, then tie it tightly with PE plastic or grafting tape for a month, and after that prune the scion to stimulate new shoots, as explained in. For grafting, attaching mango buds, bananas are not used as adhesive or substitute for the attachment material, except that bananas may be mentioned to harden or moisten the attachment area, or as a temporary protector before being tied with plastic. The aim is so that the buds do not dry out and the cambium can fuse perfectly to transfer the superior characteristics of the parent tree to the rootstock, using the technique of cutting the bark and tying it tightly with PE plastic or similar until the buds grow. The right time to remove the plastic is based more on signs of successful grafting than on a specific date. New shoots appear. The most obvious sign of success is the growth of healthy new shoots and leaves from the scion, the grafted scion. The color of the graft remains fresh. If the bud or graft area remains bright green and is firmly attached to the rootstock, the grafting has been successful. The grafting is complete. Make sure the grafting area appears firmly joined and there are no gaps. This full healing process typically takes about 14 days for initial grafting and 6 weeks for strong grafting. NPK fertilizer is very beneficial for chili plants because it provides macronutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, that are essential for vegetative growth, leaves, stems, and generative growth, flowers, fruit, strengthens roots, increases yields, improves fruit quality, and strengthens plant resistance to pests, diseases, and environmental stress. Non-nutrient benefits of NPK. Nitrogen, N, accelerates plant growth, makes leaves greener and fuller, and increases protein in the harvest. Phosphorus, P, strengthens the root system, stimulates flowering, accelerates fruit set, and aids in plant energy metabolism. Potassium, K, activates enzymes, aids water and nutrient absorption, provides photosynthesis throughout the plant, and increases fruit size. Overall benefits for chili peppers. Optimal growth. Supports maximum vegetative growth, plant height, number of branches, and generative growth, flowers, fruit, abundant production. Increases the quantity and quality of chili peppers. Fruit quality. Helps with fruit development and enhances nutritional content. Plant health. Strengthens stems to prevent them from falling over, keeps plants green, and increases resistance to disease, drought, and other extreme conditions. Soil fertilizer. Helps improve overall soil structure and fertility. Signs of thriving chili plants after NPK fertilizer application include vigorous new shoot growth, fresh, lush green leaves, vegetative phase, and the appearance of numerous flowers and fruit, generative phase, sturdy stems, and healthy roots, indicating optimal nutrient absorption without symptoms of toxicity such as yellowing or burnt leaves. Signs of good fertility. Leaf and stem growth, vegetative phase, leaves are dark green, fresh, and free of yellowing or spots. New, lateral, shoots develop in the leaf axils. The plant stem becomes stronger and begins to form woody tissue. Lignin, flowering and fruiting, generative phase. Many new flowers appear. Flowers do not fall off easily. Chili fruit forms at a good size and grows rapidly. Things to note: correct dosage. Applying the correct NPK dose is crucial. Too much can cause yellowing, burning of the leaves, while too little can stunt growth. Plant phase. NPK requirements vary across phases. The vegetative phase requires more nitrogen N for leaves, while the generative phase requires phosphorus P and potassium K for flowers, fruit. Grafting mango trees is best done during the dry season, specifically from April to June. Some reasons why this period is optimal. Dry weather conditions. The dry season provides ideal conditions with low humidity, which prevents clogging of the graft joint. Minimal rainfall. Heavy rainfall can cause water to enter the graft area and increase the risk of fungal or bacterial infections. 1. Stronger scion shoots. Mango trees tend to produce healthier and stronger scions or shoots, scions, when the weather is sunny and receives full sunlight. For grafting, attaching mango buds, bananas are not used as adhesive or substitute for the attachment material, except that bananas may be mentioned to harden or moisten the attachment area, or as a temporary protector before being tied with plastic. The aim is so that the buds do not dry out and the cambium can fuse perfectly to transfer the superior characteristics of the parent tree to the rootstock, using the technique of cutting the bark and tying it tightly with PE plastic or similar until the buds grow. Advantages of grafting in mangoes. Speeds up fruiting time. Grafted seedlings can bear fruit much sooner than those grown from seeds, often 2 to 3 years earlier. Maintains superior traits. The genetic traits of the parent tree, such as sweetness, aroma, and fruit quality, are retained in the new plant. Increases productivity. Plants become more productive and produce more fruit. Combines superior traits. Can combine disease resistance from the rootstock with fruit quality from the scion. More uniform plants. Produces seedlings that are uniform in size and growth, making maintenance easier. Controls tree size. Selecting the right rootstock can control tree height, making harvesting and maintenance easier. Higher resistance. Using rootstock that is resistant to certain diseases or soil conditions makes the plant stronger. Less material efficient. Using fewer buds, scions, than grafting, thus saving materials. Mango grafting care after grafting includes regular watering to prevent drying, waiting about 20 days for shoots to emerge, then cutting the main stem about 10 centimeters above the grafting eye, at an angle backward, a week after grafting, coating the cut with fungicide, removing the plastic cover after 1 month, and protecting the new shoots from pests with an organic insecticide when transplanting to the field, while keeping the seedlings shaded and moist. Initial stage after grafting. Don't rush. Wait about 1 week after grafting before cutting the main stem. Cutting the main stem. Cut the main stem at an angle 1 centimeter above the graft, or about 10 centimeters, a week after grafting to accelerate shoot growth. Protect the cut. Coat the cut with a fungicide such as burnt ash or Bordeaux mixture to prevent fungus. Presentation. Water the seedlings regularly every day to prevent drying. Untie. Untie the plastic after 1 month, about 3 weeks, if the tuna's eyes are still green and firmly attached. Important tips. Hygiene. Avoid touching the incisions or eyes of the tuna to avoid contamination. Healthy ingredients. Use healthy tuna eyes and lower stems.